Formax presents the Cut-True 29A and 29H, two true shift light production cutters. The Formax Cut-True 29A automatic electric cutter and 29H hydraulic cutter provide precision paper cutting for sheets up to 20.5 inches wide, ideal for the digital print marketplace. Both models feature programmable job settings, an infrared light beam safety curtain, a high-speed hardened steel blade, and a color touchscreen control panel for quick and easy setup and operation. In addition, the 29H features true hydraulic operation that activates both the clamp and the blade. The Cut-True 29A and 29H quickly and accurately cut stacks up to 3 inches high in paper sizes up to 20.5 inches wide. The bright LED cutting line indicates exactly where the blade will cut, allowing operators to make fine adjustments. Two-button operation engages the clamp and high-speed hardened steel blade for crisp, accurate cuts every time. The user-friendly touchscreen control panel allows operators to program up to 100 jobs, with up to 100 cuts each. The smooth deck surface allows for easy maneuverability of large paper stacks. The optional table extensions are available for added working surface. A false clamp is included to minimize the risk of marking sensitive paper stocks. The clamp can be removed to decrease the minimum cut length and is easily stored under the front table of the cutter. When it's being stored, a sensor is activated, which automatically changes the minimum cutting size. Safety is a key element for both models. The infrared light beam curtain provides both safety and convenience as it shuts down operation if the light plane is interrupted. A key lock, wooden paper push, and blade change tool are also standard for safe operation. The Cut-True 29A utilizes an adjustable electronic mechanism to securely clamp the paper stack. The Cut-True 29H uses hydraulic pressure to activate both the clamp and blade, which can be adjusted to provide the best cut possible for different paper weights and stack heights. For a basic cutting job, select or set the program using the control panel, which will automatically adjust the back gauge. Next, slide the paper stack into position and use the wooden paper push to safely align the stack. With the paper in position, press the two activation buttons which engage the cutting blade while keeping hands away from the cutting area. The high-speed hardened steel blade is designed to last cut after cut. When it does need to be replaced, the blade change tool makes it safe and easy. Select the blade change option on the control panel. Remove the mounting bolts, attach the blade change tool, and remove. Simply reverse the process to install the new blade. Cutting sticks are both economical and easy to adjust, as they can be rotated up to 4 times before being replaced. Formax Cut-True 29A and 29H cutters are true two-shift light production cutters that are ideal for transforming large digitally printed sheets into brochures, invitations, and more. With crisp, accurate cuts, these cutters are a welcome addition to print shops and in-plant finishing operations.